Hello math learners, for today's video we're going to continue our lessons all about the trigonometric functions. If you think our lesson 10 is over, nagkakamali kayo. Pero part 2 na to. Pero ito ang last natin para sa lesson 10. Kasi 'di ba sa function, 'di ba karaniwan kung merong function nag-aantay ng tables of using the function table, merong ding dito na hindi tayo gagamit ng function table. So ngayon, ito po ang lesson natin. Ayan, spoil ko kayo, ayan yan. So ngayon, balikan muna natin lesson objectives. So ayan po ang ating lesson objectives. So definition of terms using involving the masayan. So period of function. So sabi nga natin yan po yung limit, and yung amplitude is the height. Okay? From up to down. From down to up and from up to down or from down to up. Displacement, syempre yan yung horizontal phase shift is either from this and this. Okay, next. Translation, so yun nga, I have a mistake of discussion dito sa last video ko regarding dito. Ang nasabi ko yung sa curves. So, I have a mistake. So, that vertical shift, yung pa-vertical, kung meron displacement or phase shift, this is the vertical shift. Or that is also called the vertical translation. So, nakaraan din ay meron akong pinost regarding dito sa unit circles. So, meron din tayong tables of values na maaari din nating magamit. Okay. So, balik tayo ngayon sa ating nasa may mouse pointer ko. Wala. So, ngayon, ito na. So ngayon, ito na, proceed na tayo. So suggested steps, so pag-uwi natin baka di natin makita can be used to graph the following of the form. So y is equal to a sine bx. So ito muna yung form. So where b is equal to 0 and that is positive. So okay, tandaan po natin ang value ni amplitude. Mamaya papalaman yung value ni amplitude. Di ko lang nailagay. So find the period. So ito po ang formula ng paggamit ng period or the limit. So 2 pi over b. So start at 0 on the x-axis and lay off a distance. So ito po ang interval natin. Okay, from the step 1. Ito po ang interval natin. Ay mali, ganito pala. Okay, since included pala sila. So yan, ganyan po ang bracket. So divide the interval from 0 to 2 pi over b into 4 parts. Okay, paano po kaya? Mamaya, yan na natin. Locate step 3 or step C. Locate the points where the graph crosses the x-axis. Kapag sine, ito, yung ngayon na makita yung beginning, middle, and end of interval. Kapag ito naman, 1/4 and 3/4 of interval. Kapag cosine. Kasi diba, ang sine is either ganyan yan or ganito. Tama. Kapag cosine naman, it's either ganire or ganire. Diba? Hindi po yan nana or so whatever na nasa isip nyo. Basta yan yung graph. Okay. Letter D is locate the points where the graph reaches its maximum and minimum values. Sine, kapag sa sine, ito ang gagamitin nyo kapag positive ang value ni A or A is greater than 0. Ito naman kapag negative ang value ni A or less than 0. Kapag cosine, ito kapag positive si A, ito naman kapag negative. So, ito, meron tayong use the tables of values. Tables of values. Or calculator to find many additional points as needed. Then sketch the graph. Draw additional periods of the graph to the right and to the left as needed kung kailangan lang. Pero kung ayan dagdag na sakit ng ulo, kahit wag na. Okay, ito pong first problem natin. So, ito ang form niya. So, A is equal to negative 2 and B is equal to positive 3. So, amplitude. So, the absolute value of A is so, ang value ni A is negative 2. Absolute value of negative 2 is 2. Period. So, ang B nyo ay gagawin nyo lang 3. Diba? So, we have 2 pi over 3. So divide, so itong interval natin into 4 equal parts. Intervals. So minus nyo muna ito sa 0. Since the 0 is from first to last. This is the interval of period or the limit. So ngayon, ito na yung result niya. Then divided by 4 is 1/6. Or kuya, kasi ang kailangan dito radians eh. So 5/6. Kasi it's either pwede naman siyang i-add ng yung kahit hindi nyo alisin yung 5. Kahit gamitin yung calculator nyo kasi yun lang din ang lalabas. No? Kahit lagyan nyo ng 5. Now, locate where graph crosses x-axis. So 0. So this is the beginning, middle, and end. So since sine eh. Kaya ngayon, yung b natin is 3. So 5/3 and 2π/3. Ito ang technique ko sa inyo. Ito ay tandaan nyo, ito yung period. Okay? Period yan. Then ito yung 0. Okay, tandaan na. Locate where graph reaches maximum. So ito. So since a is negative, so ito ang gagamitin natin. So 3π/2 times 3. So 3π/6. Kung yes, sige, so natin 3π/6. Ngayon, isi-simplify natin. Kung teka lang ha. Okay, dito na natin lagay. Kung isi-simplify po natin yung 3π/6, that is 1/2. 1π/2. So, ito po ang graph nyo. So, ang amplitude nyo ay 2. Kaya, ayun, makita nyo, 2. Nakatapat dyan. Hindi ko mahabi pointer ko. At ito man nandito. Ito. Since negative ang amplitude, negative ang A nyo, so syempre magsisimula ka sa baba. Parang sa diba, sa function, sa polynomial function, kapag negative ang leading coefficient, sa baba ka magsisimula. Hindi po ba? Next, at ngayon so dinivide natin siya into 4 parts, so that included syempre ang 5/6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So from, diba, kung from this interval dito, so divided nyo lang siya into 4 parts. So 1, 2, 3. Okay? Ano lang. So next, so syempre ang in-indicate niya kung saan ano yung kasunod. Okay. Locate where graph crosses x-axis. So beginning, middle, and end. 2π/3, 5/3, and 0. The points where crosses the x-axis. Locate where graph reaches maximum. So, ito, maximum. And this is the minimum. Okay. Okay, proceed tayo. So, mabilis-bilis lang, no? So, yeah, suggested steps that can be used to graph functions of the 4. So, ngayon, kanina, is a sin bx. Ngayon naman, meron na tayong c. So, still, c is any real number and b is not equal to 0. Or e either less than 0. Find the amplitude or the absolute value of a. So, next, determine the phase shift, such as this is the phase shift, the negative c/b, and the period, the absolute value of negative 2π/b. So, one complete cycle of the function can be graphed over the interval. So, tandaan. So, ito, meron akong techniques. Ito ay ang, ito lang, yung kaparehas niya, this is the phase shift, para di na kayo mahirapan. And this is the period. Baka may mag-comment, parang di pa kami mahirapan, magbigay ng math prop. Baka dapat sa tuloy ko. Okay, joke lang. Okay, ayan po. So, tandaan, ito po yung period nyo, and this is the this phase shift. Divide this interval into 4 parts and graph the function. Locate the points where the graph crosses the x-axis. Kapag sine, so again, ito. So, kapag tatlo, ibig sabihin tatlo na yan, beginning, middle, and end of interval. So, kapag cosine naman, 1/4 and 3/4 of it. So, meron tayong PS or pahabol sulat. Do not forget to add to the given function the constant for phase shift, period, or quotes. Next, locate the points where the graph reaches its maximum and minimum value. So, kapag ito, kapag positive si A, kapag sine, ito, kapag cosine, ito. Kapag negative si A, ito kapag sine, ito kapag positive. So again, do not forget to add the given function to the constant for phase shift, period, or both, and extend the graph to the left or right as desired. Ito ba ang solve problem number 2 natin, and this is the form. So where A is equal to 1/2 and B is equal to 4 and C is equal to negative pi. So amplitude, so ito po, po natin ako yung 1/2 since A is equal to 1/2. Phase shift. So pi over, negative ang pi natin, so negative pi over 4 kapag simplify nyo is negative pi over 4. Ano daw? Okay. Since, bakit po dalawa ang negative? Kasi since negative na ito, ayan, kaya po naging ganyan. And ito naman, kapag, ano po natin, ayan, dalawa. So, imagine this is negative 1. Negative 1 times here is pi is positive pi over 4. Graph 1 cycle over the interval. So, ayan po. So, lang natin phase shift no? Kapag natin yung phase shift, then this is the, first the period. So, your period, ito yun. Hindi ko lang nasulat. Okay, so this is 2 pi over 4. Kapag simplify nyo, that is pi over 2. Kapag inad nyo naman yan, ito lang din. Divide into 4 equal parts. So 3/4 minus 1/4 is equal to 1/2. And 1/2 divided by 4 is equal to 1/8. Or kung yan siya as radian, kung sasama niyo yung pi, that is pi over 8. Locate where the graph crosses x-axis. So we have pi over 2b is equal to, b is equal to 4. So pi over 8. And pi over 8 plus pi over 4 is 3 pi over 8. And ito lang na natin, 3 pi over 8. So again, this is crosses x-axis. Since dalawa lang po ang natin. Since siya cosine siya, hindi mo siya sine. So we have 3 pi over 8. And 3 pi over 8 plus, bakit pong purpose nitong pag-a-add natin sa pi over 4? Pi over 4 is our phase shift. Diba kanina kasi ang sabi sa nakaraang slide, based on the present discussion, do not forget to add the given function for phase shift, period, or both. Ganun lang. Either add nyo siya sa again, what is it? Phase shift. Phase shift. Okay? Next, locate where graph reaches maximum. Okay, maximum. So, ito. And ito. Since, ano ba tayo? May nakasikutob ko eh. Okay. So, ngayon, 0 and 2 pi over b since this is cosine. Okay? Teka, nasa yung graph. Okay, cosine. Since in-apply ko rin po kasi dito yung step D or step 4, extend if necessary, if possible. Okay, ang period po natin is 2 pi over b, 3 pi over 4. Okay, mapapansin nyo rito. And yung magsimula dito yung phase shift nyo. Okay? Next, ito naman, so we have also sa pi over 8. So ito yung pi over 8 nyo. Tandaan po ito yung pi over 8 nyo. Yung in-extendan lang natin. And yung pi over 8, I'm not sige, sorry. Ito pala yun. Sorry. Okay, nalilito na ako. Okay, so, ayan po. Yeah po. Then, yung 3 pi over 8, saan po natin ako yung 3 pi over, this crosses the x-axis and pi over 8, sorry. And ito naman, pi over 4, so, ito nga, reaches maximum, so, pataas yun. Right, since positive naman ang natin yung A. Kaya po, ganyan. Next, solve problem number 3. So, baka may magpuna sa akin katabingi. Hindi po siya nandito. May purpose yan. So, ngayon, makikita nyo rito, in this situation, meron siyang D. Ano po purpose nun? So, ngayon, muna, amplitude. So, mamaya mo natin explain. 3. And phase shift nyo is negative pi over 4. Since, multiply nyo lang to. Diba? Halimbawa, 2, 1. Multiply mo. Ay, sorry. Baliktad. So, 1/2 kasi reciprocate. Oh, pi times 1 is pi and 2 times 2 is 4. So, yun po ang purpose. Period. So, ang period po natin kasi ang b natin is 2. So, paano po naging pi lang? So, cancel nyo lang. Because 2 divided by 2 is 1. So, 1 times pi is equal to pi by itself. Vertical translation, that is d. Yun po ang purpose. The d stands as our vertical translation. Since positive ang d, so 2 units up. Graph 1 cycle over the interval. So, ganito lang. So, since ang period nyo ay pi, and yung inyong phase shift is negative pi over 4. Okay, so ito po ang inyong interval. So, again, ito po ang vertical translation nyo. Ayan. Okay, locate where the graph crosses x-axis. So, ito po ang inyong ano. So, pi over 4 and minus nila. Di ba sabi nga, is either add to phase shift. Since ang phase shift nyo is negative, so, different sign subtract. Ngayon, ito naman, since cosine po siya, hindi naman po siya sine. Ayan. Then, locate where graph reaches maximum. Ito lang. Ayan. So, kapag inar po natin yan. So, pi, kabuuan, kapag inar nyo ito, 1 yan. So, 1 minus, sige, ano natin? Para 1 minus 1/4. 1/4. Ano ba? 1/4. So, di ba meron tayong tinatawag na regrouping by subtracting a whole number, subtracting a fraction from the whole number. So, regrouping. So, ano po ba ang denominator niya? Parang borrow 1 lang. 4. Di ba pag cannot be, yan. Ngayon, ito na yung makikita nyo. 4 over 4 minus 1/4. So 4 minus 1, 3. And 4, siyempre, kapit na denominator. Ganun lang. Diba? Okay. Halimbawa, kung sa regions naman, kung pi. So 4 pi, ganyan lang. 4 pi over 4 minus pi over 4. Since siya, kapag wala kayo nakikitang any kinds of coefficients besides this pi, parang sa variable, so 4 minus 1 is 3. So 3 pi over 4. Wala lang, ina lang natin para malinaw. Para hindi tayo masyadong depende sa calculator. Mas maganda nga hindi tayo masyadong dumepende sa calculator. So ngayon, ito na po yung ating graph. So, ito po yung graph natin. Since 2 units up, meron tayong translation. So, up. Then, ito yung reaches maximum from 0. Asan yun? Ito, crosses rather. X-axis and pi over 2. So, ito tayo. So, 2 units up. So, ayun, 1, 2. From here, 1, 2. From here, 1, 2. Okay, sorry. From here, 1, 2. Ganun lang. Basic, no? Ngayon, basic na kasi hindi na tayo masyadong gagamit ng table files and calculator. Ganun na. Okay, tapos, so ito again, ayan, hindi ko pa naman binago yung math-activity. Ayan lang din. Pero meron ako dinagdag. So, sketch the graph the following facts. Pero depende naman sa inyo. Hindi man mandatory yung sagutan nyo to. Kung ayaw nyo, edi wag. Edi don't. Okay, yan. Well done. So, maybe next video, discuss na natin yung trigonometric identity.